Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best split shot is probably one of the most essential tools in any fly angler's arsenal, but with so many options, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a fast-moving stream. Today, we're diving deep into the world of split shot, exploring different types, sizes, and materials to help you make the perfect choice for your next fly fishing adventure. Get ready to learn how to add weight, adjust your presentation, and ultimately, catch more fish. Number 5. Eagle Claw Micro Split Shot Sinker Assortment. This assortment includes 368 sinkers, ensuring you have plenty to keep you fishing all day long. It's a comprehensive kit designed to meet all your sinker requirements. Different fish thrive at different depths, and this product has you covered. Whether you're after catfish, walleye, or bass, it provides the right weight for your target. Eagle Claw has been a trusted name in fishing since 1925. Proudly made in the USA, this brand is the most recognizable in the industry for a reason: quality. These sinkers are designed with input from professional fishermen. They are tough, reliable, and accurate, helping you hit the perfect depth. You'll be reeling in catch after catch. Spend less time organizing and more time fishing. This kit is organized by weight, so you can quickly find the right sinker and get back to what you love. What we like. This kit offers a massive 368 sinkers, ensuring you're prepared for any fishing scenario. It's also organized by weight, saving you valuable time on the water. If you're an angler who values efficiency and wants to maximize your fishing time, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These split shot weights are easy to apply and remove. They hold well on the line and don't slip. The assortment of sizes is perfect for various fishing conditions. Number 4. Loon Tin Drops 4 Division, Big Water. This product features a matte coating, providing a non-gloss finish. It helps to reduce glare and gives it a sleek appearance. The slip-resistant texture ensures a secure grip. This design helps prevent accidental slips, providing added safety. The double-cut design allows for easy reuse and adjustment. This feature makes it convenient and adaptable for various needs. It comes with a twist dispenser, making it incredibly easy to use. This design simplifies the dispensing process, saving you time and effort. This product is available in a variety of sizes, including 6, 4, 1, BB, AB, AAA, SA, SSG, and 2 SSG. You can choose the perfect size to meet your specific requirements. What we like. These sinkers feature a non-gloss finish and slip-resistant texture, ensuring durability and ease of use. The twist dispenser makes it simple to access the weights you need. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly split shot, this is an excellent option. What people say. I used the weights this past week and they worked well. I like the dark color and distribution. Number 3. BASSDASH 64 PCS Fly Fishing Kit. This kit includes 64 premium flies. They are designed to attract various fish species, making your fishing experience more successful. The kit contains a wide assortment of fly types. You'll find mayfly dries, streamers, leeches, and more, all in different sizes and colors. Each fly is carefully crafted. You can refer to the pictures for detailed patterns and sizes, ensuring you have the right fly for the job. The flies come in a quality fly box. It features a secure magnetic fastener for quick and easy access. These flies are perfect for targeting bass, panfish, trout, or steelhead. They are sure to get some attention and help you land your next big catch. What we like. This kit includes 64 high-quality flies, covering a wide range of patterns. The included magnetic fly box keeps everything organized and accessible. If you like having a comprehensive selection of flies ready to go, this kit will not disappoint. What people say. They have been holding together pretty good regardless of the comments I read saying they fall apart. I've caught a bunch of sunfish and a couple trout. He likes the durability of the case and the sizes of the hooks and the variety it had. Good quality flies, good variety, and good price. What more could you ask for? Also the case is a nice touch and is well built, no cheap, flimsy, brittle, junk here. The fly box is good quality. Number 2. SF Micro Split Shot Combo Fishing Sinkers Weights. Introducing the SF Micro Split Shot Combo. This is a complete set of removable sinkers, perfect for both fly and ice fishing. It's designed to help you get your bait exactly where you need it. This combo pack includes 4 different sizes of weights, 0.2G, 0.3G, 0.4G, and 0.8G. This variety ensures that you're prepared for a wide range of fishing conditions. It's all conveniently packed in one box. Made of pure lead, these sinkers are built to last. The soft shots with a central cut won't damage your fishing line. The high density helps them sink quickly and accurately. Using these sinkers is incredibly simple. Just squeeze them onto your line with your hands, no tools are needed. This makes it easy to adjust your setup on the go. This combo allows you to quickly adapt to changing fishing conditions. Add or remove weights as needed to get your bait into the strike zone. It's a versatile tool for any angler. The SF combo comes in a box with an easy-to-use rotating selector. This keeps everything organized and secure. Please use with care and keep it out of reach of children. What we like. These sinkers are made of pure lead and are designed for easy use, simply squeeze them with your hands. The rotating selector box keeps everything organized and secure. If you're looking for a convenient and reliable split shot solution, consider this. What people say. Great product. Exactly what I ordered. Perfect weights for fly fishing with scuds. Product is neatly organized and as advertised. Number 1. Loon Tin Drops, 4 Division. This product features a matte coating, ensuring a non-gloss finish. This design helps to extend the product's lifespan, making it a durable choice. The texture is slip-resistant, which is a great feature. It prevents the weight from sliding on the line, providing stability. It has an adjustable design with a double-cut feature. This allows for easy reuse and adjustment, offering flexibility. The dispenser is user-friendly, designed for simple use. You can easily twist it for convenient dispensing. With all these features, it's a great choice. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. What we like. This product features a matte coating and a slip-resistant texture, ensuring longevity and preventing slippage. The adjustable design allows for easy reuse and adjustment. If you like a split shot that combines durability and practicality, this is a great option. What people say. They are the perfect size for my needs. They are easy to pinch on and off the line. The split shot stays on the line well and does not slide. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.